Alright, so jumping straight into one of the first things that I'm going to talk about, which is what exactly is Clickbank and how does it work? Now, I'm sure that most of you that are watching this video right now probably know what Clickbank is. That's the reason why you've clicked on this video. But for those of you that are still confused on what it is and how people are actually making money from it, the way that it works is that it's essentially an affiliate marketplace, which means that people like me and yourself are able to sign up to it. From there, we're going to be able to promote any one of the different products that are currently available on the Clickbank marketplace. Now, it's also important for you guys to understand that there's so many different marketplaces out there that you can use. Clickbank isn't the only one. And to be honest with you, you're not really going to find well-known companies available for you to promote on Clickbank. It's going to be things along the lines of supplements and info products and things of that nature. So it would be ideal for you to do research on various different marketplaces before you commit to promoting any one of the different physical or digital products that are available on Clickbank. But that's basically how it works. It's just a marketplace where you're going to be able to scroll through all of the different available offers and see which one is suitable when it comes to you promoting it for you to make money. But this now brings me on to the next thing once you've got a full understanding of what Clickbank is and you've done your research, which is knowing exactly how to sign up for an account. Now, signing up for an account is fairly straightforward. It's not really complicated and it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything for you to become an affiliate. All you simply need to do is head over to clickbank.com. Once you do that, this is going to be the homepage that you're going to see. And on here, you're going to be able to get a lot of useful information, e.g. how much money they've paid out in commissions. As you can see, they've paid out over $6 billion. And you can also see that they've got over 100,000 active affiliates. But most importantly, you're going to see these two options that's going to ask whether you want to sign up to become an affiliate or whether you want to become a seller. Now, I'm sure that the majority of you that are watching this video want to sign up to Clickbank for the purpose of promoting the products that are available on this marketplace. You don't necessarily want to promote your own products. If you did want to do that, of course, you're going to select this option. However, if you are looking to earn money online by doing affiliate marketing, then you can select this option, or what you can do is just come over here to where it says start here. From this point, you should select this option that says skip this quick start guide. Now on this page, you're going to have to fill out all of this information here, e.g. your country, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and your desired password. And this brings me on to one of the other important things that you need to be aware of during the sign up stage, which is the countries that are accepted with Clickbank at the moment. So not every single person in the entire world is going to be eligible for a Clickbank account. There's going to be some countries that are not accepted. So that's why you may want to go through this page as well and see if your country is accepted or if it isn't accepted. But if it is accepted, of course, you're just going to select whichever country that you live in and you're going to proceed with filling out the rest of the information. And once you have completed the registration, one of the next important things that I want to point out during the sign up stage is creating a nickname. Now, when it comes to making money with Clickbank, a nickname is going to be one of the vital things that you're going to need throughout various different processes. So you're going to see this page over here is very simple. All you need to do is just click on account type, and whichever account you created, whether you want to become a seller, affiliate, combination, whatever you're looking to do, you're going to be able to select whichever one over here. But I'm sure that most of you want to become affiliate, so you're going to select this one. And then all you're going to do is just pick a random nickname that you're obviously going to remember because it's going to be needed when it comes time for you to generate your affiliate links, as well as ensuring that you're tracking all of your conversions so that you can earn the correct commission. So for example, I may just want to type in a simple nickname just like this. As you can see, it's available, and then I'm going to proceed with pressing sign up. But once you finish this step over here, the next step that you need to understand is knowing exactly how to find affiliate links. So of course, this is probably one of the most important parts of this entire process, because you need to understand how to find affiliate links. You need to understand the best products to promote on Clickbank. There's so many different factors that goes into this stage over here, but I'm just going to point out some of the key things that you need to be aware of once you do get to this stage. So once you've created your account, you're going to be able to access the Clickbank marketplace, and on this page you're going to see various different categories that are available for you to promote, and you're also going to be able to see the top offers that majority of affiliate marketers around the world are having success with right now, as well as new offers that have just came out. And if you've saved any offers, they're going to be in this section. But of course, depending on what type of affiliate marketing business you're looking to build and what type of products you want to promote, you're going to select the necessary category over here. So for example, if I was looking to, let's say, start a new affiliate marketing business where I was going to promote products within the online business niche, then of course I'm going to select the e-business and e-marketing one. Or let's say if I was looking to promote a health related product, then of course I'm going to select health and fitness. Once you're on this stage, it's going to be down to you really when it comes to the initial steps of you knowing which niche you want to find a winning affiliate product in. But for the purpose of this video, what I'm going to do is just select top offers. So one of the other key things that you need to be aware of when it comes to finding winning affiliate products on Clickbank is that you're going to be able to sort all of these results from high to low in terms of the gravity score. And when I say gravity score, this is unique to Clickbank. I've not really come across this term in terms of other affiliate networks or marketplaces that I'm using. And what it basically means is that it's showing you a score in terms of the affiliate marketers that have been able to be successful when it comes to generating conversions, I would say in the last week or 2 weeks. So if you're able to find an offer that has a high gravity score, it means that the affiliate information or materials that you're going to be able to find on this page, which I'm going to show you in a moment, is useful when it comes to helping all of the affiliate marketers out there that are promoting that particular product, which means that your chances of potentially being able to be successful with promoting that product is going to be high. So to give an example of what I'm talking about, if I just use this product as an example, as you can see, this product on average is paying out $124 every single time that someone is able to get a conversion. Of course, this is just the average. It could be a little lower, it could be a little higher, but it's just showing you the rough amount of how much they're paying out to their affiliate marketers. But one of the things that I would recommend that you do every single time that you find a product that you do want to promote is click into the affiliate page, because over here you're going to be able to get a lot of information in terms of what the product is, how it works, and some information on what you're going to need when it comes to you being successful in promoting it. It is also important as well to go through any restrictions in terms of what you're not allowed to do when promoting a particular offer. As you can see over here, there's traffic restrictions in terms of what this particular product or company doesn't want you to do when it comes to you promoting it, and if they find you doing anything that you shouldn't do, then it's going to result in you being banned and not being able to promote it anymore. Another thing that you need to know about getting your affiliate link on Clickbank is that some companies will automatically give it to you. All you need to do is just click on apply for any one of these by clicking on promote, and some will automatically give you your affiliate link. However, as you can see with this one that we're using as an example, you're going to have to put your Clickbank nickname in this section over here, and then you're going to have to request approval, and it may take a couple days for them to either decline you or accept you. But to show you exactly what you're going to do when it comes to getting your affiliate link for a product that doesn't require any sort of approval, is that you're going to click on promote just like this. You're going to type in your nickname just like that. You don't have to type in a tracking ID, and then from there you're going to be able to create a hop link, which is the same as an affiliate link. And this is the link that if I give it to someone and they click into it, I'm going to be able to earn an affiliate commission if they buy the product that I'm promoting. So those are the most important things that I would say when it comes to understanding how to find affiliate links. But once you understand that, one of the next things, which is probably one of the most important things that you need to know, is how exactly do you promote affiliate offers for you to actually make money. Now, there's an endless amount of ways that you can successfully promote affiliate links on the internet, and if you're completely new to affiliate marketing and you're not really sure of exactly how people do it, it all comes down to putting your affiliate link in front of traffic where there's a lot of people. For example, social media sites. So this is things like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. The list goes on in terms of all of the social media sites that are out there. It really just comes down to having a solid strategy when it comes to putting the right affiliate link for the right offer in front of the right customer. And I'm going to give you some real life examples of people that are doing this right now in a number of different ways. So if I just use this product over here where you're going to be able to earn on average $124, all I'm simply going to do is just copy the name of the product just like this, and I'm going to jump onto Instagram. I'm going to come over here and then I'm going to search for the product just like this, and as you can see, all of these different results pop up for all of these different Instagram accounts that are currently promoting the product that's on Clickbank. But if I just click into this one over here, as you can see, all they're simply doing is putting information about the product, you know, how people can have better teeth, because that's what the actual product is about. All of these different before and after pictures. But the interesting thing is, if I just click into the link in their bio, it's going to take me directly to the Clickbank affiliate page. And of course, if I was to order the product right now, the person that's running this Instagram is going to be able to earn a commission. And a similar thing is being done on Pinterest. As you can see, I've just typed in the exact same name of the product over here, and there's all of these different pins that people are uploading every single day. But if I just click into this one over here, as you can see, it's taken me to this landing page. And of course, if the person now clicks into this link, it's going to then take the person directly to the affiliate page. So the main point that I'm trying to show you right now is that there's organic ways that you can promote affiliate offers that are on Clickbank, but one of the most popular, and I would say one of the most effective ways that people are making money with Clickbank right now is with YouTube ads, because you're going to be able to target someone that has typed in a specific search term into YouTube, and then from there you're going to be able to place a YouTube ad where you don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your own voice, and you're going to be able to use AI when it comes to creating the video. And then from that point, you're going to be able to send that person to the affiliate page and rinse and repeat the process over and over again. And to show you an example of exactly how this works, I'm going to log into the software that I use when it comes to spying on YouTube ads that I can then go away and replicate, which is Video Ad Vault. And what I'm going to do is just type in the name of the product into this search bar over here. I'm going to leave everything else the same, and then I'm just going to click on search. Then what I'm going to do is make sure that the views are sorted from highest to lowest. And as you guys can see, all of these different YouTube ads over here is what people have been running to the affiliate offer that's on Clickbank. And the good thing about using Video Ad Vault is that you're going to be able to click any one of these different links and it's going to take you to a useful bit of information. So for example, if I click on play, it's going to take me directly to the YouTube ad. I'm going to be able to see it. I'm going to be able to hear it. If I just turn the volume up a little bit.
Our free video presentation will explain how this unique formula can keep your teeth and gums healthy.
As you just heard, it's an AI generated voice. No one's showing their face on the screen. This is all stock images, stock videos, etc, etc. Not only that, as you can see, this video was uploaded 4 months ago and they've already got over 4 million views, which obviously shows us that the ad must be working. And if I just jump back onto Video Ad Vault and click on the link that they're sending all the traffic to, again, it's going to take me to this landing page. And then if I click on this option, it's going to take me directly to the affiliate page. So I would say from my experience, running YouTube ads to Clickbank affiliate offers has been one of the most effective ways from my own experience. But of course, it all depends on how you want to run your business, how you want to do things. But if you did want to use this software when it comes to spying on existing YouTube ads, I've got a link in my description down below that's going to take you directly to this software. But other than that, I would say that these are the main things that every single beginner needs to know when it comes to them having a full understanding of what goes into Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, if you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know when a new video has been released. And if you wanted to watch a completely free webinar where I break down my story of exactly what I had to do when it came to me going from $0 in revenue to over $100,000 in profit with my affiliate marketing business when I was a complete beginner, then make sure that you click the first link in the description down below to watch that free webinar. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down some other key things that you need to know when it comes to making money online with affiliate marketing over the next year, then make sure you click the link over there. Check that video out straight after this one because it's already helped out so many people and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.